hello po sa inyong lahat dyan. So, ayan, shout out sa inyong lahat dyan, sa mga OFW, sa mga Pilipino, sa from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Hello po sa inyong lahat. Hello, Ate Sol. Hello, Ate Chinoriam, Jing Ubar, Anida Pido, sa mga friends ko sa YouTube, ayan, tsaka mga sumusuporta at nanonood sa aking YouTube. Hello sa inyong lahat dyan. Have a happy and good day sa inyong lahat. Ayan. So, in today's video, magluluto tayo ng isang masarap na naman na simple lang pero masarap. We will have a twist. Cooking twist. Ayan. Ang lulutuin natin ay macaroni. Dalawang siya. Two types pero the same ingredients. Macaroni, creamy macaroni, mushroom at saka mushroom macaroni. Ayan. Gawan natin siya ng twist. Ayan. At may tips ako kung paano, alam ko, siguro alam nyo din ang itong trick. Pero, why not yung mga hindi pa nakakaalam, yun. Hindi sa nagmamagaling, pero gusto ko lang i-share ko yung mga natutunan ko habang ako ay nagluluto. Yung mga experience, gaining while cooking, you gain experience, diba? Practice makes perfect, diba? Yun. So, ang ituturo ko kung paano maging malasa yung pasta o yung macaroni natin, at hindi kailangan itapon yung tubig. Ayun. So, mga tricks, mga twist, yun lang po. So, ayan, sana, yung hindi pa nakapag-subscribe pala, please like and subscribe below. And ring nyo din yung ding-ding notification bell para ma-notify kayo kung meron akong new upload na video. So, ayun. So, magluluto tayo at, coming up. Ito yan. Ayan, so ang ating ingredients is macaroni or pasta, the mushroom, champignon, half medium onion, garlic, parsley, and minced pork. This one, it's the minced pork. Ayan, minced pork. It's a lean meat minced pork. Ayan. So, let's begin the cooking. Okay, we will chop our ingredients, onion, garlic, and parsley. Mas masarap pag ang garlic ay mas marami. Okay, cooking the pasta. We put olive oil and we put vegetable nor cubes. That's it, and we will wait to make it boil first. Saka, bago natin ilagay yung pasta dito, kasi kumulo na siya, huhugasan ko muna. Yan. Yan. Ang reason Ang reason kung bakit hinugasan ko muna is to make it sure clean. Kasi hindi ko itatapon yung sabaw nito. Ayan. I will not throw the soup of this one after cooking it. Yan. Yan ang mga trick para masarap ang luto. While we're cooking the pasta on the other pan, we cook also our mushroom and the meat. Like that. First, we saute our onion, garlic. I always use the olive oil on cooking. Some use butter to saute the onion and garlic, but for me, I always use olive oil because it's more healthy. We put our garlic. That's it. So, ayan, after that, we will put our meat, minced meat. Okay. We will put our parsley. That's it. That's it. We cover it and cook it for a few minutes. So, okay, ayan. We put our champignon, our mushroom. That's it. Okay. We put a vegetable nor cubes. That's it. A powdered paper. Okay. A little salt. Okay. That's it. And cover it again. And let's wait until it will be cooked. Since malapit na itong maluto, pag malapit nang maluto ang mushroom at saka yung meat at saka ito, kuha tayo ng kalahati. Ayan. Ayan, para ito gawin natin creamy. At saka ito, hindi. So, ayun. Lutuin natin muna ito. ngayon ang ating pasta. Ito na siya. I cook it 8 to 10 minutes. So ngayon na medyo luto na siya, we will cover it. Ayan, and we will off the fire. Patayin natin yung apoy. Ayan. Ayan ang trick para maluto siya ng dahan-dahan. Ayan. Coveran lang natin at patayin natin ang apoy. Okay. So, ito na yung para sa isa nating menu. Isa nating without cream. Without cream. Ito. Luto na siya. So, we set aside here. We set aside. And now we will cook the one that with cream. This one. Okay. This one. So the cream we will put is milk. This is it. Ayan. For to make it creamy. That's it. Ito yung ating isang creamy mushroom pasta. And this one is mushroom pasta only. Ayan. So look at that. We just add milk, evaporated milk. Okay. So look, ito na yung creamy part natin. The mushroom creamy part. So that's it. So that's it. Okay. So, ito yung ating pasta. Tingnan niyo, oh. Look. It absorbed the water. Wala na siyang water. Kaya, ito ang trick para masarap yung pasta. Hugasan nyo lang siya. Tapos, pakuluan nyo ng tubig. Yan. Lagyan nyo ng nor. Huwag yung itatapon kasi yung mga iba hinuhugasan pa itinatapon. Kaya ayan, after 8 minutes of cooking, ayan, takpan nyo lang siya at i-absorb niya yung tubig. Maluluto siya. Oh, you look, oh. It's perfect. Hindi siya malusaw, hindi siya matigas. Yan, on a perfect cooking. Yan. This is it. We will put it here. So you see, all the water was absorbed, and it's so it's not so cooked, and it's not so hard. It's on the exact point of cooking. Ayan. Okay, and we put here also the other one for the okay. See, no more sauce. Yan, okay. That's it. This is it. This is it. And this is the one creamy with milk. our creamy mushroom macaroni, and this is our mushroom macaroni. Ayan. Okay, so that's it. So this is our mushroom macaroni. Yan.